Hi, I'm going to unbox this Casio AP-S190, and I got it from Costco, which is like the keyboard and the chair combo. Now if you look up the AP-S190, there's not a lot of information online, and I believe it's actually just a Costco exclusive model, and I'm pretty sure, like 99% sure, that it's actually the AP-S200 that's been just rebranded to be exclusive to Costco, because Costco has this way of like just taking other piano or keyboard models and then dropping the model number by like 5 or 10. So even the product page on the Costco site, the description actually says AP-S200. So I'm almost positive it's the exact same piano. So we'll open it and check it out. Okay, so this is the piano section, or the keys. Okay, these look like the cabinet pieces. Hardware is in here. Okay, here's the instructions.
Maybe you should put it in my room.
Yeah, you think so? Okay, I've assembled the cabinet and piano assembly. So now I'm gonna take off all this wrapping and try it out. So the S200 or the S190 is basically the most budget affordable model in the Celviano line from Casio. And Celviano is like the best line that Casio makes for digital pianos. So it's like their best line, but the most affordable one in that line. So it's supposed to act and sound like a real acoustic piano. They have samples from a Hamburg Steinway, and I think those are new samples for this model actually. So now I'm coming from like a 20-something-year-old Yamaha P80, which back in the day was the shiz. It had like really high quality samples, and it had graded camera action. Of course, that's all ancient technology compared to now, but when I was playing it, I thought it was amazing. And again, back in the day, Casio was kind of like really janky, tacky, synthetic sounding piano sounds, and kind of cheap, you know. But I guess now they've really upped their game, and their digital pianos are supposed to be really good. So I'm excited to try this out. I haven't assembled the bench yet, but it's nice because it has a cabinet, you know, that's made of this sort of, has wood finish. I don't think it's solid wood. I think it's like the, you know, maybe particle or something that has a wood finish, but it doesn't move when you play with it. So it's pretty solid. The S line, the S200, S190 is the slim line, so it takes up less space than the other AP models. Other APs have like a lid you can move up and down. This one kind of foregoes that. What is this? Sure, go ahead. So anyway, I haven't assembled the bench yet. Oh, this has a soft close cover. It's kind of cool. So nice. But this is good because the speakers, and it's a 40-watt speaker system, which is a lot more than a lot of the other pianos in this sort of price range. But these speakers fire down and forward, or towards the player. So, and also they kind of resonate through the cabinet. So, you know, this is definitely a step up from my P80, which is like a stage piano. So, oh, I was like, they're all stuck together because there's tape here. I was like, it's broken. So yeah, the action, this isn't even the highest like level action that Casio makes. You know, this has only 2 sensors, it has like smart sensor technology versus 3 sensors. But you know, again, this is a big step up from 20-something-year-old technology that I'm coming from. So action feels good, it's graded. To me, it feels a little more realistic than my P80. I'm also coming from playing like secondhand upright acoustic piano, so I didn't really play a grand piano growing up. This is for my kid to learn piano on, so this feels better than the P80. The keys feel better, it's like simulated ivory. Again, the P80 was like just straight up plastic, so this definitely feels better already. Let's turn it on and let's listen. Sounds pretty good. See, I tried like the Roland, sort of entry-level Roland at Costco, which is kind of similar size to this, like smaller, you know, graded hammer action. But the sound was kind of, the speaker system I think was only like maybe 12 watts or something like that, and so it sounded very not real. So I like the action on the Roland, but the speakers at the Costco model, I think it was the new Vola EX, I didn't think it was worth the money. So this one definitely already sounds better. So I gotta figure out how to turn the volume up here. Volume, I don't, up here. Okay, so here's the volume knob. Okay, well, that's it for now. I'll play it a little bit more and then we'll maybe do another video after that. Anyway, yeah, this is the AP-S190. Like I said, I think it's exactly the same as the AP-S200. So, yeah, pretty nice looking so far. What do you think? Sounds good. Good for kids, I guess. It's a good song.
Obviously. Original fire. Original fire.
I don't know.
You know, think like the original fire stuff.